to Chicago, everybody, where the local time here is 12:38. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. I want to ask you please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened till the captain has brought this aircraft to complete stop the gate and release the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, it will be your indication that it is safe to move out the cabin. Control for still belongings to may import on board. Please take caution opening the overhead bins as contents set to shift during flight. Check in the seating area and the seat back pocket in front of you for any belongings that you may have brought with you.